Hey everybody, it's Mike here. Welcome to the channel and welcome to a new video in 3DCoat. Well, today we're going to be talking about symmetry, and we're going to be talking about multiplying symmetry with the option radial symmetry. That's pretty cool. So we're going to go into the voxel sculpting room. We're going to grab an object, this guy, why not? We'll just go in here and give that some length like this. That's fine. Then we're going to go and click on apply. And we're going to get rid of our proxy model right here, and I'm going to do that by selecting my Vox hide tool if I can find it, because it's always hiding, pun intended. Let's see, I usually do this. I usually hit the space bar and then I go to Vox hide from there, and here's the one I want, right? Okay, that gets rid of my proxy model, and then what I need to do is add some symmetry because the resolution is quite low. So hit the space bar, hit res plus, hit res plus, hit res plus, maybe one more time. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, we're going to make sure we're in ortho mode. So we're going to go up here. We're going to click on the little cube. Okay, and let's align this guy perfectly straight. Push it back a little. And I guess I just clicked out of ortho mode. Or did I? Yeah, this is the one we want, right? Yeah, okay, cool. This is what we want. Now, if we have symmetry by hitting S on the keyboard, right, we can normally choose what we want, X, Y, Z, right? And as we do that, the planes will be added. But in this case, I don't want to do that. I want to click on this drop-down menu, and I want to go to radial symmetry. Now, when I do that, I get a number that I can choose. Right now, it's set to 4, and that's what we're going to start with. So with 4 selected, and with our Vox hide tool selected, I'm going to hit E on the keyboard, and it will pull up this menu. And let's go and grab this guy, okay? Now, remember, I have symmetry set to 4. I'm going to click and drag and kind of take a chunk out of the side here, right, with the Vox hide tool. We'll give that a second. There you go. So now you see that we have 4 of these cuts going on, which is pretty neat. Now, just to show you that you can play with that number, I'm just going to go back a little bit, and we're going to align it again. Yeah, there we go. We're going to S on the keyboard one more time. We're going to go to radial symmetry again, but now we're going to go and set this to, let's say, 8, right? Okay. So 8, we're going to go in here, and let's just go halfway. Why not do something like this? We'll give that a second, and there you have it, right? So it's a very powerful tool that will allow you to do a lot of very cool things, okay? So yeah, that's all I wanted to share in this little video. And again, another tool in your tool belt. If you enjoy these videos and the series, please hit the like and hit the subscribe, and I'll love to see you guys again. All right, bye. Well, thanks for watching. And before you go, please hit that MH button to subscribe, okay? See you guys next time. Bye.